Today let's have a look if we can pick into this nice ERA lock. Works flawlessly, of course. And let's see if we can pick it with the tools that I showed earlier. So here you have a bent nail that is filed down a bit at the edge. I could use another tensioner, but let's see if we can use this. This, as you might recall, is this thing for concrete that I stripped. And yeah, let's use this wire. I think it's from an umbrella. I bend it around the edge so that it can curve there around the curtain. I filed it so that it doesn't pick up all levers at the same time, and seems to work fine. So let's put them in, turn the whole thing around. There we go, and let's see if we can pick it. Now, one of the issues with this lock and picking it is that the levers really sit on the curtain, so that can make it difficult to navigate, but let's see what we can do. And we're in a full set again. And we're open. There you go. Wow, that put up a fight, but I'm glad I have that on camera. Now let's get the tools out. Open this up. Actually, I can pick it again, then I can show you what I was talking about. So I'm putting the tensioner in the back and the wire as much as possible to the front. Then the front wires are not so hard to set. But you can see I have to really angle the pig wire to get under the other levers. This one is stuck, but if you put really light tension in, normally you can still move it. And as you can see, now we're in a full set. Let's try that again. Light tension. Keep wiggling, and as you can see, you have pretty much everything set, so you can just carefully poke around and see which one you missed. Which is this one, it's binding. So we're almost there. Now, a touch there in the beginning, and we're open again. I'll show you what's inside. And the reason it takes so long to pick is mainly because I don't know what I'm doing. Because I'm completely new to lever lock picking. And I know there are several things you can do to help you with the levers being stuck on the curtain. So you can clearly use thinner pig wires, but what can also really help is, for example, an overlifter that just lifts them slightly higher. You can use a tensioner with an overlifter in it. I've seen Deadlocks picture of one of them. So here you can see, and if I use any tensioner, you can see how really the levers, by the time it tensions, that's here, some of them actually sit on the curtain. So basically you can't get your pick under it unless you corkscrew it. So that's what I did. And let's see what levers we have here. So first one is a number 3. You can clearly see the false gate there. This is a number 2, which clearly has a false gate on the other side. False gate in the bottom again. False gate in the top. And a false gate in the bottom. So all of them have false gates, and we have 5 levers. And the curtain, so that's something new for me. But I enjoyed picking it. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Thanks for watching, and take care.